Hi my blissful people, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you on how to find successful Shopify stores so that you can copy them. Coming right up. So today I'm going to teach you how to spy on these Shopify stores. They are actually very successful and you can either copy the way they do business or the niche they have, or you can even copy their products to sell. So I'm going to go over to go to Google and type in Exchange Shopify. Exchange by Shopify. This website is actually under Shopify, and from here you can see that you can choose the industry. For example, for this case, for today, I'm going to choose toys and games. And for revenue, it's best for you to choose the highest one. So because you need to copy from the most successful store, right? So 15,000 or more. So from here, from the filter, you can see that there are only 4 stores. Business type, you can try, because since we are actually into drop shipping, you can take this drop shipping here. You can see there are actually some are actually private listing. You can't view their stores. But okay, let us see this. Okay, this website, right? This exchange website, they are actually website owners that wish to sell their website. So like for example, this listing here, build your baby, they are actually wanted to sell the website at $50,000. They have a total revenue of $228,000 up to date, and their average revenue per month is $17,500, and their average profit is $6,000 per month, which is quite a lot. I mean, this is in US dollars. So let us check out their website. You see, you can contact seller if you feel that their website is doing very well and you know where are your sources, because these are actually dropshipping websites, right? So you might be able to find the items from AliExpress or Amazon. So let's go into their website, buildyourbaby.com. Yes. So yeah, they are selling all the baby items, diaper bags, baby toys, and baby food processor. It's either you can see their layout, how they do their business, and what type of promotion they do. Like what type of sale they do. They have this type of promotion. They even have this pop-out here saying that they have somebody purchased from United Kingdom. All these are actually plugins which you can install in your Shopify store. Yeah, these are all very useful, and I see that they also have installed this customer reviews. Yeah, you can keep on seeing this. 10 hours ago, somebody purchased the comfy baby support set. So by this way, the buyer will feel comfortable buying from this store. So if you are the type that you are lazy to set up the a Shopify store yourself from scratch, why not? You can buy a website. You know, you don't even need to design. Everything is ready, everything is installed. All the plugins they have installed. They even have an email marketing. Maybe you can choose another store to have a look. For this website, they are very transparent. You can even see their profit margin. They mark up their products 50%. So And don't worry about all these figures. These are all verified by Shopify. And they have average sales of 520 sales a month, which is pretty good. The reason of selling this business. Yeah, there are always reason of them selling, but most important thing is they already have a existing traffic to their website and they have a consistent of monthly income, so it's a legit business. Our main objective today is actually to spy on their products, what kind of products they are selling. The electronics and gadgets, the same, we will choose the highest revenue, 15,000 and above. Business type, we will choose dropshipping. And yeah, so there are 16 stores available. So maybe we go and see this Go Gadget City. They even install a customer service chat now button. This is actually Facebook Messenger. Yeah. So these are the things that you can actually copy them, like see what they do, because these are all sample Shopify store plugins. You can actually find it in Shopify App Store itself. So trending. All these products, right, you can easily find them from AliExpress. Yeah, example, this glow in the dark creature, I see this all the time. So this is one of their best-selling products. Perhaps we can go to another categories. Another industry, fashion and apparel, 15,000 revenue. Business type is drop shipping. Okay, so we have 41 stores. Private listing, we can't see anything. Oh, okay. Wow, 130,000 US. So this is one of the reason. I think most common reason is I sell this business because I want to have cash to start another shop in another niche. Sometimes maybe this niche is feels that it has hit the plateau and it's not moving upwards, and like maybe the owner wants to earn more than 10,000, but it's just not happening, you know. So yeah. So this is one of the reasons. So yeah, you have to do research like this and see more stores, and you will have more ideas on what to sell, and yeah, it will inspire you to perhaps to get a really good niche for yourself. You know, we shall go into another store to take a look. Okay, this is a print-on-demand store. Yeah, all these are actually print-on-demand. They do have a mixture of print-on-demand and dropshipping, AliExpress dropshipping. Yeah, so this is a good example of print-on-demand. All these leggings, right, is very popular. Like if you are good at design, you can actually design something like this, and yeah, you can go to T-Launch and submit your designs there, and T-Launch will print and also ship for you. You have all the sizes. Actually, the designs can be really simple. One thing good about print on demand is that the shipping time is much faster. Most of them they are based in the US, and their shipping times is like most of the time is less than 1 week. Yeah, as compared to AliExpress, the shipping time takes really long because it's shipped from China, and if you choose e-packet, the fastest will be between 12 to 20 days. Yeah, so it is print on demand business is really good. You just choose one niche, right? For example, this police, maybe the whole website theme is around about uniform bodies or on police, and you can actually make designs and you can print it on tote bags, leggings, t-shirts, hoodies. Yeah, these are the few examples. Yeah, for this store I can see it's quite a general store. They have a few niche. They have a baseball, softball. I love being Irish. Yeah, and nurses. Nurses is a very common niche. It's a good niche because there are so many nurses around the world. Irish. So all these are the hoodies, like I mentioned. And now they even have bed sheets that you can print your design on it. Bed sheets and pillowcases. Yeah. So sometimes you can just have one logo and the words are different, and you just make it into different designs. Yeah. So without having to have any stocks on hand, these are all no stocks needed. That's all for today. I hope you have learned something valuable. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of content, and hit the bell button so that you won't miss any of my future videos. See you on my next one. Bye!